It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today we have a Shein haul, and they are rhinestones, okay? So I'm going to open all of these up and show them to you all. In my last couple of videos, I have been using these little bootleg rhinestones that I just put in this old nail case. So I got on Shein, okay, and they had all kind of different colors and just all kind of good stuff. So we're going to get into this haul. All right, so this first set, this is how they look. Super cute. It has kind of like iridescent kind of vibe to it, and I love that. As you can see how they kind of catch the light a little bit, and it comes with 6 different sizes. So I've been thinking about getting a really big case, and look at that, some of them inside of here. Oh my goodness. I've been thinking about getting like a really big case to put them in, because I don't like the idea of having like a bunch of little cases. That's why I just poured all of my old ones in here. This one, these are white, I believe. I think they are called white or clear. I will link a list on Shein so that you can click on that link and see all of these that I ordered. So yeah, but I think these are called white or clear. And all of the ones that I got are flat backs. That's my favorite at the moment. This one has 2 different kinds in here. We have the clear ones over here and the iridescent ones on this side. And look how pretty they look. So pretty. I did get something from Amazon to apply these. I'll show y'all that in a second. Look at these. Oh, they're so pretty, y'all. I cannot wait. So pretty. Now these, oh my goodness. Look at that. They're like crystals. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't know what kind of sets I'm gonna be putting this on, but whatever it go on, it's gonna be amazing. And then I got this one. And these kind of look like the ones I already had a little bit. Super cute. I love the different sizes and everything. I also got this little gadget. This little doohickey. It helps you like measure your rhinestones and everything. It has like the measurements. So I thought this was cool. Hope y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? But yeah, I thought that was really cool, so I grabbed this. Now let me show y'all the Rhinestone gel. So I got these from Amazon, the Macart Rhinestone glue, and this one, what company is this? This is like a pen. So I said I wanted to try this out as well. I'm going to do a separate video where I kind of dive into these two products and figure out the best way to use them to apply the rhinestones and all that. Currently, I've been using the little pots, but I figured using some type of pen or something might be easier. Definitely, since I've been trying to work with the caviar beads and stuff like that, so I wanted to try these out. So stay tuned for that. Might use them in my birthday set or something, so that should be fun. But I hope you all enjoyed this Shein Rhinestone haul. Okay, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up and share it, and definitely check out my shared list in the description bar so that you can go grab all of these rhinestones from Shein. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. Okay, and guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.